Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I am Sholazari and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to refill an empty bottle of Coca-Cola or Pepsi using magic. So without any further ado, let's start our today's tutorial.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay friends, so this is how you do this magic trick. First of all, you're going to have an empty bottle over here on the top of the table, and you're going to also use a handkerchief or a scarf like this, which is quite big, and also you're going to have a filled bottle of soft drink, the same company. For example, if you're going to use a bottle of Coca-Cola, then you're going to keep one empty bottle of Coca-Cola over here and one filled bottle over here. But right now in my case it's Pepsi. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to rub this table like this with this handkerchief or the scarf. Then afterwards I'm going to show this to the spectator, and while I'm showing it to the spectator, this is the greatest misdirection, because when the spectators are watching the bottle, I come over here with the handkerchief and I grab the bottle like this and I pick it up like this. So while the spectators are looking at this bottle, I do this entire coming over here and grabbing the bottle like this. So right now I come over here like this, then I go up like this. Now this bottle is hidden under the cover of this handkerchief, so the spectators does not know that under this handkerchief there's a filled bottle like this. And when I come over here and I cover the bottle with the handkerchief, what I'm going to do is I'm going to secretly drop the bottle like this, and then I'm going to grab this bottle, and then after that I'm going to wave the entire handkerchief over the bottle, so it looks like you have magically made a drink appear. So here's the entire thing in slow motion. You're going to grab a bottle like this, then you're going to show to the spectator, then you're going to grab the other bottle like this, you're going to drop that, and after that like that. So you're going to produce a bottle of Coca-Cola like that. This is how you perform while standing. Now make sure that the table is high enough and you have a soft surface over here, so that when you drop the bottle like this, the spectators are unable to hear the sound of the bottle dropping down. And also make sure that the front part of the table is blocked, otherwise they would be able to see that you are dropping the bottle like this. And while sitting in front of a table, you're going to perform this same thing in exact same way. Just the only thing is you won't have a soft surface like this, you are going to use your lap. So when you're switching the full bottle, you're dropping the empty bottle on your lap. So that's how you do the magic trick on the table. So I hope you enjoyed learning this cool magic trick of how to make a drink appear in an empty bottle. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at Shol_Hazardi, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed.